Hello everyone. So we're going to take a look at this knife today. See if I got the right end. Simoon. It's about a $50 knife. And here it is. G10. I got it in the blue, in the stonewash. And we have the recoil lock, V2, crossbar lock, thumb studs. Let's take a look at the blade. So there we have the blade, stonewashed. Some jimping on there, thumb studs. Milled out, reversible, pocket clip. Let me give you some specs on that. So we have total length of 8 inches, and the blade is 3.47. It's supposed to be a Bowie style knife, and the blade stock is 3.2 millimeters, and it is AR RPM 9 steel, 59 to 61 HCR. Closed, it is 4.53. Weight is 3.32 ounces. And I'm liking this. Here's across the recoil lock. And thumb studs. Crossbar lock. There's a crossbar lock. So kind of 3 ways to deploy it. Does come in different colors. It does come in all black, and it also comes in green G10 with the black blade. Let's compare it to some other knives. Whoops. Let's put that one out, and I did a review not long ago on the Sin Cut Sly Bolt, and I also have the Kershaw Iridium, so you can get a look comparison here of what size it is. There we go. And yeah, that's about it on it. Let's check the pocket on it. And I don't have my rope along, but let's check the pocket clip. Here we go. Maybe. That one might be tight. It's my jeans? I don't know. Maybe if I did it from the other side. Not very good left-handed. Oh, that's a tight one. It's tight. Okay, that's a little tight. Not gonna lie. That's tight. Tight fit. But that's what shows. Barely any there. So it's tight. That might be a good thing. Let me get a piece of paper and we'll check that out. Bear with me because I don't have any of my normal cutting gear here in Iowa, but let's give this a cut. It cuts paper good. Very well. Wish I had my rope along, but I think it did pretty good. I kind of like this blade style, and I'll be using it. We'll find out more about it later. If I like it or not, I got to start doing reviews after I use these knives. So thanks for watching. I'm going to keep this one short, but I like this recoil lock. I have the bolt, and I really like that. The texture on this is really good. There you go. You can see that. So your hand's not going to slip. It does have a little bit of a finger choil. Comfortable in my medium women's size hand. And there we go. And that's all I got. My tattoo's doing really good. So is my other one. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.